Poo, 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 poo. How's it going, everyone? How's it going? Hey, chat, drop me an emoji if you can hear me right. If the music is not too loud. And this live stream is going to be a short one. So first of all, as always, thanks Bybit for sponsoring my live videos, and MEXC, because these are two exchanges that I'm trading cryptocurrency. MEXC on those lower cap coins, and Bybit where all the big boys been trade. So let's jump straight into a Bitcoin for those who are gonna miss those live videos. Oh, sorry, I just get distracted by the chat. So for those who are gonna miss this live stream is going to be saved in my live video section. Hey Alex, hey Dimitri, or I don't know how to pronounce your names, but yeah, this is a short live video. And yeah, get around, because there's one topic that is, I believe, it's very interesting, and we have to discuss this. What if it happened? What if will? So yeah, how many are all right? 13. Hi mate. Hey, how's it going, everyone? All right, so let's just go straight to the point. Today we're gonna talk only about Bitcoin. Well, maybe I'm gonna jump on other coins because XRP is flying. So, oh, you got kicked out. So yeah, DM me on Telegram and we're gonna discuss this, because it is not possible. Because I don't kick people, they're leaving on by themselves if they don't like something. So, all right, Bitcoin reached his peak, if I can say that, at around $93,000. And right now, we're getting rejected from those levels. And if you remember, I post 2 videos on my YouTube channel about channel-to-channel trading strategy and about how to trade divergence. So for those who watched, they probably already know what I'm talking about. But still, I'm going to explain that in 1 second. We were trading this whole time this previous descending channel pattern, and tried to simulate, because the Bitcoin is reaching its new all-time high territories. So we tried to simulate the same channel pattern and try to navigate into the market based on this pattern, descending channel pattern, another one on top of this one. And yeah, as you already know, we reached my 2 target points, and we flipped above the second one. And yeah, everyone wants to see that $100,000 per Bitcoin. And of course, while the Bitcoin doesn't, I mean, the Bitcoin is right now looking calm, not doing crazy stuff, but I believe so that we have to talk about this. What if we're gonna went back below, I mean inside this descending channel pattern? Because we got rejected from $93,000, that's for sure. You all see that. And everyone is talking about on social media, and of course I've been looking at this and right now actually, about CME gaps. These are the gaps that represents, and every single time, most of the time, I mean every single time, those gaps are filled by, for example, retracement. This gap represents when the futures market are closed. So the futures market is closed, and every single time, well, chat, you can correct me if I'm wrong, because I don't usually do this type of stuff and I don't analyze futures market on the Bitcoin, but most of the time those gaps are being filled, and there's a probability to see a movement to the downside. To fill this gap, the price is gonna go inside this gap. I'm gonna jump on my charts. We're just gonna discuss about this SME futures gap. What is going on with the chart? Nothing actually, but yeah. Look at the previous one. You see the gap here? What the hell is that? And the price went inside this gap around here, and we got rejected again. Well, because we're in a downtrend. Again, what else do we see? Another gap in this uptrend. We fill this gap with the price, and then boom, another rally to the upside. Here as well, a gap. The price went inside this gap, got rejected, whatever, but we still, the point is that there's every single time we retesting and the price goes inside those gaps. All right, so again here, look, beautiful gap. Sorry if my computer is lagging a little bit because I'm using the Wi-Fi right now. Sorry for that. This is the gap, and we filled this gap. Again, every single time we're filling all those gaps, SME gaps. So if this is true, I mean, well, I believe so it is because, well, you know me, I'm waiting for some kind of pullback. Well, sorry for saying that. I don't want to be a party pooper, but I'm waiting for the gap. I mean, not for the gap, for the pullback. I'm waiting for this. And this gap, if, I'm not going to say that this is 100%, but this gap will likely to be filled. And then at around here, I'm going to start building my long position on Bitcoin. For those who are crazy enough, I mean, I'm bull. I'm going to wait for those pullbacks, and then I'm going to start building my long position. I'm not going to short it from the top because we are in the uptrend. So who knows what the Bitcoin is going to do tomorrow, because tomorrow is Friday. Yeah, it's Friday, and 2 or 3 Fridays in a row, the market was green. So who knows, maybe tomorrow is going to be a green day. So I'm just going to close this. But before I do that, all right, so let's just mark this number, $81,000 and $78,000. 78, I'm just going to leave that. Where's that sweet? 78. Just bear with me. 78 and 80,000. All right, around here. Perfect. What does that mean? This is the perfect level that connects my, let's just move my Fibonacci level because we identified that this is our swing high, if it's true. So this is a perfect level between golden zone and discounted zone. So I'm just going to quickly delete that because it's like irrelevant. It shows the same thing for me. All right, where's my magical pen brush? So my expectations are, but we're still respecting the zone. From our resistance, it became our support. But the price can easily go inside this descending channel again and push the price to the downside and fill this gap. And who cares? Because on the bigger picture, on the daily time frame, we're still gonna create, if we're gonna respect this gap, I believe so that we will. Maybe there's gonna be some kind of shake off and gonna retest this ascending trend line that acts as a support, if you remember when I discussed about this. So we're gonna respect these zones, most likely, that's what I believe. And then we're gonna start pushing the price towards the upside. And then again, the Bitcoin's mission again is gonna be to break this resistance, descending channels, simulated descending channels, resistance, the top of this channel. So my expectations are, of course, I'm just gonna delete this red box because you're probably thinking there's some kind of, I don't know, supply zone or resistance zone. So these are my expectations. And then we have our chance to reach that $100,000. So drop me, comment into this live if you have any questions, because yeah, I just gotta say something, because you know that we're recording every single move on those live videos, every single move what the Bitcoin is gonna do, because I want to record and put into a folder, a playlist on YouTube, and then I'm gonna rewatch it when we're gonna sit into a bear market. So yeah, these are my expectations on Bitcoin. And let me just quickly delete that. Delete all of those drawings. I'm gonna make it with the more brighter arrows. Just bear with me. Bear with me. Alrighty then. Simply, alright, whatever. So let's just imagine this is our price movements. Maybe we're gonna respect, who knows, blah, 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 boom. We're gonna go inside this descending channel, simulate a descending channel. Then we're gonna retest this. We're gonna fill this gap. And then, boom. And don't be scared. Don't be scared, guys. This is a healthy thing. You cannot have an insane rally without some kind of pullbacks. This would be a healthy thing. We still have some time till the New Year's, till the end of this, till the end of the 2024. We still have time because I believe so that we're gonna see some massive, insane, and ridiculous, unhealthy movements to the upside on altcoins. So this type of movement, if it will play, if it's play out, sorry for that, I have something in my tongue. If this whole scenario plays out, this whole movement, it is a healthy thing. What is like the drawdown would be at around what from here till this gap, like negative 10%, 11%, while when we are having this from here an insane rally by 37, 40%. So this is healthy. A pullback from negative 10%, that would be super awesome. And for those retail, I don't want to say traders, but for those all investors, that would be a perfect place or good levels to buy if they believe in the Bitcoin. Of course, because I'm talking always like, if you believe in this, I'm not pushing this narrative, just go all in on the Bitcoin. No, do your own research. So that would be a perfect, and for us, of course, retail traders, to open a solid, a normal, insane, cool long position at around those levels, that would be a good idea. That's what I was talking about in my previous live videos. I want to see a pullback. I want to see a pullback. Sorry for saying that. I don't want to be a party pooper, but the pullbacks are inevitable and they're healthy. So, Dave, what will happen with alts memes during this correction? First of all, we don't know if this whole thing will plays out. Maybe this gap will be filled later, not right now. Maybe we're gonna send insane movement to the upside, but yeah, these are my expectations. This is like the worst case scenario. I have to always protect myself, you know what I mean? I'm always have to protect myself. I have to play more defense. If I'm a day trader, I'm longing with an insane amount of leverage. So what could happen with the altcoins? I believe that, yeah, we're definitely gonna see some pullbacks on altcoins, but well, when we saw, oh, sorry for that, if it will, the interesting thing about altcoins is that when the Bitcoin experienced a drawdown, those altcoins, for example, where I invested in those altcoins, they didn't experience the insane pullback. They didn't experience, but I mean, if it will, then it will. I mean, I'm just gonna buy some more. But who knows? Maybe this gap is gonna will be filled like later, not right now. But this is a worst case scenario, so keep an eye on those levels and protect yourself. So this is just a little bit of terrifying sauce before I put this to bed, and to you that there's some possible scenarios where the pullback might happen. So yeah, that's pretty much it on Ethereum. Ethereum. All right, I'm gonna jump on Ethereum. You see, when I discussed this in my previous live video, I'm gonna wait for some kind of pullback, and I actually closed this position extremely, like, I don't know how to even, what word should I use? I mean, I closed this position like at the top. So I'm just gonna use a simple. You can go on the SME gaps on the futures, but what, Ethereum has a futures market or not? I believe not, but well, I'm gonna use my data, my brain. So if this is our swing high and this is my swing low, I'm just gonna use a simple Fibonacci retracement. So the pullback would be at around here. I don't even need to use this. That would be an awesome pullback and retest an ascending triangle pattern. The worst case of the worst case scenario. So we're gonna retest that golden zone, the golden pocket, and then I'm gonna boom push the price towards up. Everything is like connected. I mean, god damn it, this is beautifully, everything is connected. I don't know how to even to explain it to you guys. I mean, look, this is gonna be super connected. An ascending triangle pattern top that is right now our support, because at one point it was our resistance. All right, just bear with me. Then this is a bottom of this simulated channel. We respect that simulated channel mid-range, and the golden zone is beautifully connected with this, let's just say, our support. So that would be an awesome scenario. And I hate one thing. I just hate one thing, that there is a lot of like Ethereum against Bitcoin. Yeah, Ethereum against Bitcoin looks not that great, and I need to do a little bit more research. But if I'm not saying you that you should do this, but if we're gonna see retest that around here, I have to place my orders fast to buy some more Ethereum. That's what I believe I'm gonna do. That well, I did a trading plan during this live video, which is awesome. All right, what else? 16 minutes, 17 seconds. Yeah, the Ethereum, well, here it is. If we're gonna see a correction, these are the levels. Boom. Maybe some kind of wick to shake everyone off, everybody off. But don't forget, guys, during those bull rallies, Black Swan events is also a possible scenario. So, guys, always protect yourself. Of course, if you're an investor and you're like that diamond hand holder, so you're okay. I mean, you're still gonna sell or secure gains. It's not like leverage trading, but yeah, if you're using like 20, 30, 50x leverage, just secure gains, you know? Yeah, Dave, dominance is super high right now, and a lot of people... Where's my Bitcoin dominance? Yeah, the Bitcoin dominance on the weekly time frame is insane. And we are all waiting for some kind of pullback, and we want to see our altcoin season, you know what I'm saying? So it formed, everybody's like posting that it formed right now some kind of rising wedge pattern, which is like, yeah, it's bearish because there's a probability to see a breakdown. So yeah, for altcoins, that would be awesome. I'm definitely waiting. And yeah, and of course, the craziest thing is that where's my... Do I have this on my watch list? Bean. Straight to crazy numbers. Yeah, that would be awesome, Dave. Here it is. I was preparing. I mean, I have zero like investment, zero. I have nothing to do with the XRP. But right now, those dinosaur coins, a lot of influencers are saying that this is like a dinosaur coin. So experience a breakout through this. How many days it took to break this symmetrical triangle pattern? I mean, if this candle, and let's just imagine from here. What? 1,000. I'm just gonna delete this. This is ridiculous. So for those who hold this coin till now, so yeah, you have balls. What can I say? You have some incredible balls. But yeah, I was like expecting in previous bear market lows, I was like already like trying to predict where the price is going to settle, if we're going to experience a breakdown to the downside. Of course, it didn't happen. Of course, only one breakdown till this pivot point that represents a demand zone, but whatever, it doesn't count. So I have zero thoughts on XRP, but XRP is like flying right now. Well, not flying, but from the bottom, 2 weeks, like let's just say 70% pump. So yeah, congratulations those XRP hodlers. What do you think about TON? It's looked dead, bro. TON looks dead. Are you serious right now? Well, maybe it is. I haven't haven't take a look. Hold on a second. What the fuck is wrong with me? All right, TON coin. How this coin looks dead? I mean, I'm gonna put this. I mean, I'm holding TON coin. Don't get me wrong. I have some TON coin. Well, of course, Right now, when the Bitcoin is doing absolutely nothing, and if we're gonna experience a pullback, guys, the best thing that you can do is, oh, all right, you're hodling and everything, you're like trading, or you're staying out of it. The best thing that you can do during this period, just focus and work on your exit plan. I mean, work on that, because when everything is gonna move, well, most likely. So just try to place those orders between what is rational, what is not, where you're gonna close your positions. I mean your long-term position, because at the end of the day, again, we're just here to make money. I mean, I'm not gonna marry to any of those coins for like not 80 years or whatever. This is not dead. This is dead for you because you want to see that Toncoin is flying to infinity. So that's what you're saying. I just saw that Bitcoin is dumping. All right, that's crazy close. So you close that, Dave. So you close XRP position because what? You're old school holder or what, or who? You know what? I'm gonna tell you about. Guys, I'm just gonna make a separate, of course, video, but I'm gonna say this in the live video. Of course, we don't have so many comments, but I just want to express myself. Here it is. Here's your bull rally. Every single one of you, all right, I'm just gonna correct myself. Back in 2018, whatever, the first rally that everybody was like jumping into it, when Bitcoin was reaching what's top 24, 20 or 80, 18? What was the top? I don't remember, but whatever. I can go on the Bitcoin previous data, but whatever. When Bitcoin was like, oh, Bitcoin is gonna reach $40,000. Nope, straight to the downside. Then we waited for like 3-4 years. Bitcoin started to move. Of course, the COVID crashes and everything. Bitcoin is like 70, 64, 69, 68, something like that. Everybody's, oh, Bitcoin is definitely gonna hit $100,000. Nope. Not today, boys. And right now, when the Bitcoin is sitting at around 93, well, the peak was at $93,000. Everybody was screaming. No one is give a damn thing about that $100,000 anymore. Everybody was thinking that it's gonna reach $150,000. So, and I believe that it's gonna reach like 110, 120. Yeah, I believe so. Well, I have to believe. I'm representing a crypto community. But not today. I'm not saying that this won't happen. I mean, the dumb pump are only probabilities. I'm just trying to remember the previous bull rallies, because I've seen like it's like fifth one or fourth one. I don't remember. So it's been a long time. So if everybody's screaming that it's gonna reach at $150,000, most likely it won't happen. So if it will, who cares? My point is here that secure your gains. And if you're seeing that your portfolio is at all-time highs, just take your goddamn profits. I don't know what's wrong with what the hell is wrong with that, everybody. Just secure your gains. That's it. Stop flexing with your unrealized profits. That's not cool. I mean, you know, so that's my point, that everybody's like screaming that the Bitcoin is going to reach, I want to see that coin fly. What is up, Dave? It seems to me that it's now is the psychological pressure of the number one. Yes, it is 1000% true. So, like I mentioned in my previous live videos, or the raw videos that I posted, whales are watching you. I mean, how many people, like 98% believe in that $100,000, and for those who are like placing their, hold on, hot music, just bear with me. What was that? Where were I? I mean, yeah, the $100,000 is most definitely a psychological number, because imagine how many people are waiting for that sweet $100,000 per Bitcoin, because this is their plan to sell at those levels. But right now, yeah, everyone is pushing that narrative, $150,000 per coin. So You know what? I don't care. For example, if I bought Ethereum, for example, this is just an example. I bought Ethereum at 1.8k, and if the Ethereum is gonna reach $4,000, I'm just gonna take my profits, and that's it. I don't care if the Ethereum is gonna reach 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. I don't care. I just made my money, and I'm gonna walk away. There will be more trades. There will be more cool setups. There will be more, I don't know, more opportunities in this crypto market. And yeah, the meme coins, look what the meme coins are doing. So you can jump on the meme coins, start to trade that, and get some, I don't know, knowledge about those meme coins. All right, 25 minutes 20 seconds of this live. I'm just gonna let it ride, you know. If you have some questions, I'm just gonna let it. Dogecoin, what is up? Dogecoin, thoughts on Bartram, and is that the coin's name? Just comment down below those initials. All right, where's the Dogecoin? Dogecoin. Oh no! It's dumping after experiencing a 300% rally. We're dumping right now. Blah. Dave, where are you from? I'm interested. Dave 3. Pnut? Bert? Pnut? Oh, Pnut. I was looking at Pnut, I believe, today. Let's just take a look what the data we have on Pnut, if this is the right one. All right, you want me to analyze this one? All right, guys, so we see a symmetrical triangle pattern. Right now, we're going to experience a breakdown and movement to the upside. Yoo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Oh, a lot. All right. Pnut. Oh, let's just jump on the lower time frame. I'm just kidding. 30 minutes, of course. Well, there's nothing actually to analyze. If you are talking about technical analysis, all right, accumulation phase, boom, clean breakout, movement to the upside. Break of structure, break of structure, break of structure right now. Yeah, our job is to break. Of course, I'm just going to use all my strategies, whatever. Our job is to break 2.4. Actually, that coin is... What is cap? $1.8 per coin, which is... Alright, keep an eye on this. It's just simple technical analysis. Just try to connect more dots, because on the money flow side, I see potential movement to the upside. Well, if we're gonna flip from here, retest this one, if we're gonna stay and remain bullish, and boom, then push the price towards the upside. I saw that everyone is crazy about this Pnut coin. All right, Alex, how's it going, Alex? When do you think those corrections will end? And I know who's asking this. I don't want to be rude, but I don't have a crystal ball, fellas. No one knows if the correction will happen. So most likely, the price will fill that gap that we discussed about it. So that's period. What else? What else price is gonna do? I have no idea. This is never waiting 5x. What about Shiba? Shiba was looking the same as Dogecoin. Of course, Dogecoin fly a little bit higher, like a Jordan. You know what I'm saying? All right, so this is the place where we can get retested. I mean, to retest the previous resistance that became our support. So maybe at around those levels to fill this gap. Let's just start calling all of those support and resistance zones gaps. So maybe at around here, because if this is we have to create another higher low to remain bullish. I mean, everything is like connected. Yeah. Can see, need more data on the daily time frame. Well, yeah, Dave. Well, Dave is my best friend right now. In this live video, I like Dave. Why did I stop trading Forex? Because we have a opportunity to trade crypto, but I probably won't. I'll be not trading forex. I'm just gonna jump into a gold probably during the bear market. But of course, there's still a lot of opportunities in crypto during the bear market. Sorry if I say bull market was, I mean, I just meant bear market. Do you strike it or share back? All right, Dave. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So let's jump on the Bitcoin for those who just opened this live video. If you remember, again, we were talking about this gap that everyone is talking about. So again, in my opinion, if you would ask me, well, should I sell my Bitcoin or not? Well, do as you please, but for me, this pullback would be a healthy thing. We pumped by like almost, let's just me double check, like what, almost 40%. And even from the top at around here, we're gonna dump for 15%. So this is just a normal thing, guys. So I'm not panicking. I'm not panicking at all. But if we're gonna experience this, yeah, everyone's gonna, I mean, the market sentiments are very bullish because of the Mr. Trump. That is the one thing that, how to say, the one thing that I don't want to look at the market. I mean, what the history in the history, when we experience a rally, movement to the downside, another rally, and then boom, around just like double top pattern, and then movement to the downside, and end of the story, end of the bull rally, straight into a bear market. But right now, when the market sentiments are bullish, so I don't know what could happen. Maybe the same price action won't happen. I mean, maybe we experience an even higher price on the Bitcoin. So what is going on with the chat? Hey chat, just drop me some emojis, just fire up the chat so it will push to more people. But what, everyone is sleeping right now or what? The money never sleeps. Guys, the money never sleeps. Bonk. You want me to take on bonk? Bonk. USDT. Sorry for bonk. Bonk. Look what bonk did. Bonk. Absolutely insane. The bonk is super choppy. Super choppy. I'm just gonna do a simple retail trader type of technical analysis. The downtrend. All right. Together with those wicks, because it connects more perfectly. If this I'm just gonna take the Fibonacci help. So the discount zone, and this one is just like a fair value gap, another gap, maybe at around here. What is going on in the 12-hour time frame? Also, the 12-hour time frame is super duper awesome. All right, from this previous wick, so maybe a pullback, and then alrighty then. Yeah, I need more data. Actually, I need more data. I need a pullback. I need maybe another higher low to be created then. But yeah, this is the most likely that gap that could be retested on bonk. Who knows? Currently in the short? Really? Where are you from? Alright, I'm just gonna take a chat. I'm gonna... see bearish divergence on higher time frame. By using what? RSI or what? Currently in a short, I see bearish divergence on the hard time frame. On the higher what time frame? What is the trading style? The midday, the day trading style, support, resistance, some trend. I mean, I don't like when people are just taking styles and put themselves in some kind of positions that I'm a smart money concept trader. I'm only a trend line trader. I'm just only trading supply and demand. I'm using a lot of stuff actually, and it helps. I know it's maybe for some people it's going to be more complicated or whatever, but still the main goal is to find supply and demand. Trend lines, those smart money concept movements, the break of structure chain of, it's just an extra tool, you know, extra sauce for me to be more confident. Yes, sir. Assign just entered 4 hour and 1 hour time frame. On what? On bonk? What are we talking about? My god, this is super choppy. Yeah, the money flow is going down, but this is like my very choppy money flow. Look, this is why I don't trade those coins on the lower time frame, because my god, if I would like traded those wicks and if I'm throwing the high leverage, I would be like out quick of this one. All right. 2 blunts, I get 2 blunts. Yes, bonk. Are we on the bonk? Yeah, we are on the bonk. What else are we using? All right. EMAs are crossing an uptrend. Oh, this one is pretty cool. EMAs, if we're seeing the CME movement, I'm just gonna try to simulate so the EMA would be perfectly connected at around here. God damn it, I don't want to see a pullbacks. I don't want to see those pullbacks. I want to see everything fly, altcoins fly. Maybe Bitcoin is gonna do that dump and the altcoins is gonna fly. I don't know how everything is gonna correlate at this point. Crazy bull rally. Also, Dixie, the dollar, I mean, I need to... Oh, I deleted. I thought at around here that we're gonna get rejected and we're gonna dump. But for those who are trading stocks, indexes, I mean, futures, commodities, forex, I mean, the Dixies broke through this descending trend line and just rally. I'm just shredding on the daily time from every single day is green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row we are green, which is like, I didn't expect that. The divergence actually didn't play out, but I didn't trade it. So of course, this gap, this demand zone, we got retested and boom, rally to the upside. Actually, Manny 0116. Okay, I'm gonna do the last one. Manny, where are you from? I want to see where you're from. I want to see where everybody's from. I'm just simply downloading a Shiba logo, transparent one, and just simply put, because a lot of people, maybe if they're searching something in here, they cannot recognize the logo, so I'm just putting the logo in front of their eyes. How's the dollar and crypto both going up? I don't know. Actually, crypto both going up? No, the crypto is not going up right now. Everything is a little bit experiencing a small pullback. Right. Hey. London. Oh. Alright, mate. So, money. Hey, alright. Hey, Alex. Manny. Oh, I'm just messing with you, boy. QNT, of course. QNT USD. I'm just not gonna do this one. I'm just gonna put this on. VMAX probably. Alright. On the weekly time frame. I need to see this on the weekly time frame. I having a hope on this coin because hold on a second. You've been following me for 2 years. Thank you for your support. Thank you, I appreciate that. Oh, all right, Manny. So I having hope on the QNT because yes, I invested at around here. And we have a strong Q level on the weekly time frame. I invest in this because it also has a limited supply. And yeah, thank God I didn't. Of course, right now I'm thinking this way. Thank God I didn't put more money into this one, but who cares? The main goal is to watch the full portfolio. It doesn't matter if the one coin is going down. I see potential divergence. The money flow is trying to rise up. Actually, if we're gonna see an insane rally, I believe that every single coin is gonna go up. It doesn't matter if you are bearish on Dotcoin. I mean on Polkadot. I believe it's gonna go up, but who knows? No predictions, only probabilities. Because yeah, from the Bitcoin, all the money flow is gonna go in those top 20 coins. I believe so. So I'm not gonna calculate this trend line, but I do believe right now we are retesting the previous bear market's lows, which is okay. Thank God we didn't create a lower low. Well, I'm just gonna calculate together with those wicks. So I would love to, god damn it, I having hopes, because it's not like a cool project. I mean, yeah, it's dope project because it has limited supply. I mean, what is like 14 million? Just drop me a comment if I'm wrong or not. God damn it, I told you I'm gonna do this live quick, but we're in this one for 40 minutes, which is crazy. It's the whole lecture. So my expectations are on a daily time frame to broke those highs, the break of change of character on the short term, and then try to retest this key level. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. These are my expectations. I'm a bullish, so maybe I'm saying something wrong, because I do want to see this coin fly. So yeah, but still, there's a probability if if this is our high, lower high, so we still have a chance to reach $114,000. And if we're gonna experience a clean breakout, yeah, this coin could fly. All the worst. So look how this trend line is connected. I believe it will be connected with those. If now it's not connected with the trend line, but the golden zone would be awesome to reach that. All right, what else London, hey, I'm following you like a legend. Thank you. You remember the time when you give away your indicator one-on. Oh, all right. Oh, you that all about indicators. Sorry for switching indicators. I mean, I'm just trying to use a different type of stuff. If I'm seeing something more accurate, I'm just switching. Of course, I'm backtesting, I'm switching. Of course, this indicator with the money flow is a very interesting one, because these waves represents a if the creator is not mistaking me, but it works pretty awesome. So these waves represent retail traders and investors, that the money flows into the market. Those lines that, if you're familiar with the volume indicator, the classic one, they represent the big institutions, you know, the whales, everybody, like those who like playing with a big capital. This trend line represents the money flows trend, so which is like super accurate, and it's choppy because I can connect divergence with my naked eye. I don't need to see those crosses every single time. Look how beautifully play out here, boom. I created the whole video about divergence. Go check it out if you want. So here, boom. The volume indicator, the money flows trend, we're in the red at around here, and we have this divergence. Of course, it's a little bit choppy, but sorry, this is how I understand. And if I understand something, I never let it go. I'm just trying to absorb everything and try to use that indicator. That's it. There's a whole video about indicators, top 5 indicators to identify divergence on my YouTube channel. I posted today. You know what I'm saying? I posted today. You should go get and watch it. What does it say for DOT top price? All right, let's just take a look on DOT. I have some holdings on DOT. What should I choose? Spot. All right, perfect. If my eye is not mistaking me, I believe we didn't create a lower low comparing with the 2023. Of course, not enough data, but I choose Bybit on SPA, whatever, because right now I'm just using a Bybit, so most of the time, so I'm just gonna take a look on Bybit. This is like a support and demand zone at 1, because after this impulsive movement to the upside, alright, I'm just gonna try to navigate based on this. Oh, it's a weekly time frame, of course. Daily, alright, so sleep time. Get out. Alright, we broke the whole structure, boom. So retest together with the gap, maybe a pullback, boom, 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 then push. Now, Dot's job is to break these highs for me, continuing to be bullish, if you know what I'm saying. If you know what I'm saying, G. And then I'm gonna choose a 2 because we need to see what is going on the bigger pictures, because all the juices are on the bigger time frame. The beautiful thing was actually on Dot that it formed that pretty awesome, without this fake out, this awesome trend line, or I'm mistaken then. All right, so my top, I actually don't know, but that would be awesome if we could reach, well, the all-time highs on Dot, what is like $55 dollars, something like that. So I would be happy if we would reach like 25, the half of it, because you know the main problem is with those altcoins. The first bull rally, those altcoins are flying, all right. The second one, my computer's not lagging. The second one, we're reaching only the half what we have on the first bull rally. So that would be awesome if we reach another, I mean, to catch that price halfway. Prem, where you from? What was my story? Story simple. I was trading Forex, just messing around with the Forex, and then jump into crypto trading back in 2000, what is like 16, 17, 18, when I started to mine Ethereum, because I had to start managing my portfolio. I couldn't like handle it, seeing the portfolios like going up by $10,000, and the next day is like the $10,000 are gone. So I had to start to manage my portfolio, and I was just like, I'm gonna go all in into a crypto trading, because it is a younger, like more cleaner market. You'll be surprised if I'm gonna say that it is way cleaner, and I don't want to say less. I believe I'm gonna get a lot of hate, but the market is less manipulated than stocks or Forex, because, well, I'm just trying to say that it is less competitive than a Forex, and you know, those liquidity sweeps and everything that when it comes together. So yeah, but yeah, back on the Polkadot, we are broke this whole character on a daily, on a 2-day time frame. So yeah, I would love to see movement to the upside, but yeah, we'll see if the Bitcoin is gonna do that. Hell nah. I thought you were gonna say this, but I mean, patterns, trend lines, support, resistance, supply, demand, it is way more cleaner for me, for my naked eye, than in Forex. And I mean, I can aim for bigger gains in here. So you can agree with me, you can disagree with me, you can throw a rock with me. I don't care. For those who've been watching me and following me for the whole summer that we prepare for this rally, so you know what I'm saying. No, I didn't know what word should I use. Not like manipulated, but less I would like to see less competitive, because it looks, everything is way more clean. Look how beautifully trend lines work on the Bitcoin charts. Do you see this often on the, I don't know, on the Forex market, trend lines? So you would be like destroyed by using only trend lines. on the Forex market. All right, guys. What else? What else? What else? What else? Because I want to close this live stream. And so yeah, guys. Well, my setups are clean because I connect more dots on the charts. Your charts look like... No, I mean, it's just simple colors, guys. Red. I mean, I appreciate that, but it's simple. Like red and gray colors. That's pretty much it. And you can design it by yourself. And, well, where was I? I mean, yeah, for example, on a daily time frame, look at those trend lines. Like everything in general is way more cleaner, like way more interesting projects. Those promises, fake promises or not, in the Twitter, on X, with crypto, it is way more interesting journey, just simply like a zombie trade the Forex market. I mean, I like to be the part of the community. I mean, the community is like rough, like brutal when it comes with crypto. Everybody's like holding their hands with their coins, and they're like just rooting for their coins like a team. It's like a sports, you know? You can see this indicator names, and in my latest video on YouTube about divergence trading, I announce all those top 5 indicators that you can use to identify potential divergence. Look, here the price is going down, boom, the one hum, the bigger one, boom, higher low on the money flow, and then price went all the way to the upside. So the whole video is right there. You just go, you just go and you just need to go and take a look. So yeah, if the Bitcoin plan will be, I mean, if the scenario will play out on the Bitcoin when it comes to this gap. So keep an eye on this gap. If we're gonna experience a pullback, so this is your place where you can open your potential buy long positions. Yeah, take a look. Preem. So yeah, oh my god, we discussed about a lot of stuff here. So maybe I should make another live video about psychology of trading. So what else? Also, comment down below what topics would you like to see on this channel, because yeah, I'm switching for all those TikTok, Instagram, crazy, stupid platforms into. I'm just packing my bags and moving to on YouTube. All right, guys. Share my life. Do you know how I could, but do you know how hard it would take for me to prepare that video? You want to see my childhood, I don't know, photos? What? I'm just gonna prepare and post this just in case. Where is my gap 79 or what? It was like 79. I don't remember the numbers. My memory is like a fish's. Or 78. All right. All right, guys, thank you for the support. Keep an eye on this gap if this all scenario play out. So this is a perfect place for you to open a buy long position. So yeah, so I'm just gonna put this to bed, and yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.